Hello everyone. Interesting and typical situation we have today. So, at this intersection, two cars intend to move in different directions. The red one is going straight, and the white one is turning left. Their traffic lights have a green light, meaning traffic is allowed. But there are priority signs for a red car. This is a sign to give way, and for a white car, this is a sign of the main road. So the question is, what is the sequence of driving through this intersection? The correct answer is because when traffic lights are working, they have priority over priority signs. Fun fact: there is an interesting rule in Germany where drivers are not allowed to drive on the highway if they don't have enough fuel. This rule makes sense. If a car stops due to lack of fuel, it can become an obstacle for other road users. So if you are planning a trip on the Autobahn, it is better to fill up your car in advance.